today is Saturday, July 26. And ako ay gagawa ng ating kape. And hindi ko alam kung ano. Magdadala ba si Papa Dib ng kanyang protein drink?
Okay,
Do you wanna bring it?
I was gonna say I don't need the protein drink to bring, but maybe bring water.
Water? Do you
My
wanna?
vitamins, and I'll take the protein drink when I get back.
Okay. Okay then. Let's put some water with that. I'm gonna bring coffee, so I don't need to buy coffee at the coffee shop.
It's a great idea. How about me too?
Yeah, right? You don't have a cup though. I have my
Oh,
mug.
come on!
We can share.
How about this one?
You want that one for
Why
your
not?
coffee? It's gonna be super hot.
Well, of course it's gonna be hot. What do you think? It's gonna be cold?
No, I mean, how can... Ilalagay niya daw yung kape niya dito. Are you sure? It's fine?
Yeah.
We need to save money.
Huh?
We don't wanna, mga kalabs, we don't want to always buy coffee outside. Kung meron naman tayo, why not? So we save money, di ba? Because coffee nowadays in the coffee shop is how much lang? $3 to $4? For two of us will be $10, something like that. Right? So ano na lang, dala na lang kami. Even though it's good to experience some other coffee shop, like uupo ka sa coffee shop and then you drink your coffee there, have something, but of course,
Actually, over the past couple years, 3-4 years, as you know, I've been working on my budget.
Yes.
And going through line by line every single penny we have spent.
Yeah, from 2001.
And I should say since 2022.
Yeah.
And when I say we, I mean me. Basically me. I'm not looking at your expenses, but I'm looking at mine. But I did notice one thing. I spend a lot of money on certain things like travel and so on and so forth. However, there's discretionary spending, and I was seeing almost every day coffee. Could be $3.50 from Starbucks every day.
That's
Now it adds
expensive.
up. Now the thing is, we shouldn't stop going to coffee shops, but make it more special. Maybe on the weekends, and we can have a slice of cake with it and spend more money. But instead of spending $3.50 a day, just spend like $12 once on a weekend or something.
Yeah.
And you get a cake and whatever else.
True.
It's more special, it's more meaningful, and you're not wasting your money.
So because we are tracking our spending, Papa Dip is spending.
I'm a spender.
Because me, I don't really go to the coffee shop randomly. Like, I don't really buy coffee shop every time I go out. So, pag magkakape ako, I will make sure that I will drink different kind of drinks. Like matcha, ganyan. So, yun yung special trick ko. Pero si Papa Dib kasi before, back 2022. 22. So, we are trying to track yung mga namin kasi we are doing things like health and then wealth. Health and wealth. Kasi magkasama yan eh. Health and wealth. You need to make sure you track everything.
Because you can't have one without the other.
True.
If you have $1 million or $2 million or $10 million, but you don't have your health, why do you need it?
Yeah.
A person who has no health would trade all that money for their health back.
True. Kasi you have a lot of money, but then your health is not good, then what is the money for? Di ba, lab? So, yun. So, nagtatrack kami, and we saw that for me, yung spending ko is more on groceries, ganyan. Pero kay Papa Dib kasi, back 2020 or 2022, chinek niya. Kasi nagpapa-coach kami sa mga, and how we do what should we do in our money. So, chinecheck niya na yung spending pala niya sa drinks before, like alcohol, like, he always have a bottle of wine, hindi siya once a week, sometimes twice or thrice a week siya, meron siyang ganun. So, nag-iba siya ngayon. Yung spending namin ngayon is very low, lower than before. How many percent you get low, love?
What?
For our spending before. So, let's say, traveling is like 70% spending. Is that right? Or 80% for traveling?
Yeah, it's still always the same. But we're spending less
now.
But our goal is to spend even less because we're not necessarily on a budget with all our trips because we just started now. But there are ways to spend less discretionary. So, for example, sometimes we don't need the 5-star luxury hotel.
True.
That could save a lot over the years if you got 20 trips.
Again, it's not because you're being cheap. It's just because you are being smart for everything.
We don't have to be on a budget because
Yeah.
we don't have to be budget travelers. So
Yeah.
we're not backpacking.
We're not
But you
backpacking.
know,
we can still
settle
choose.
for a little bit less sometimes.
It's less, but then
Self-cater.
it's comfortable.
Mhm.
It's less, but it's comfortable. And we know that we spend our money on traveling, but we don't spend money for like luxury stuff. So our luxury stuff is traveling. That's my lipstick.
Oh.
Okay, yun. Ano ba yung mga topic natin, no? Health is wealth, remember that. And by the way, someone asked me kung ano yung mga ilalagay ko sa, what do you call this, love? Sa oatmeal ni Papa Dave.
That is ground flaxseed.
Yeah,
So you know flaxseed, what I learned this from AI. Flaxseed's very healthy. It's a superfood and it can help you lower cholesterol.
Yeah.
However, it noted get ground flax and put it in your oatmeal because if you put ground flax, it absorbs better and it's going to be a lot more nutritious because the whole flax seeds just pass right through you and you don't get the health benefits from whole flax seeds. So whenever you see something really healthy and flaxy, no, get ground.
Ground flaxseed, and we add also a chocolate.
This is 100% cocoa nibs. It's kind of like
cocoa
chocolate,
nibs.
but you know what? It's very bitter. It doesn't taste very sweet. There's no sugar, of course, but it's very healthy for you. It's healthy for your heart and your blood pressure and all sorts of bloody things.
And then this one.
And psyllium husks is your fiber. This will make you regular, but it will also lower cholesterol like a powerhouse. And when you use it daily, your cholesterol can go down 15 or 20% over a couple months. It's very powerful stuff, but you got to be careful because if you take it at the same time as your medication or vitamins, it absorbs all those too and making them useless. So you got to take all your medications and your vitamins 2 hours after, especially if your medications are important.
Yeah, so we add also, what do you call it? Walnuts?
Walnuts for your brain.
Yeah, and then we have cocoa powder.
That's for your blood pressure too. No,
And
that's
then-
not cocoa powder. That's cinnamon. It's
Sorry, cinnamon. It's not cocoa powder, sorry.
Ceylon cinnamon, not just regular
Cinnamon,
cinnamon, but
yeah.
the good stuff.
And this one is the
Hemp seeds.
Hemp seed.
I
So
know.
that's it.
That has ALA in it. It's good for your
Yeah.
heart.
So this is all the ingredients that I put on Papa Dave's oatmeal. Yung mga yan, sa mga nagtatanong. So,
Now I feel strong. Before I felt weak.
and good news, Papa Dave lowered his cholesterol for like how many percent up?
At least 25-30% in
Yeah.
over a month. And I lost 18 pounds. And I wasn't even fat. Was I? Was I fat?
You're not fat, babe. No
Yeah.
one is fat in this house.
I'm only 5'5", but I was 152, which I didn't think was very big. But now I'm what, 135?
Yeah,
and-
you lost a lot of weight.
And then now I'm starting to disappear, and they say it's unhealthy to lose that much in such a short amount of time. However, for me, it's not so unhealthy because I had no fad diets, no weird diets. I wasn't starving myself. I was eating all my meals. I
Healthy.
get my protein, and I'm just eating healthy meals and without alcohol, so without all that sugar. And I'm not snacking at night, and it just went down naturally.
Yes,
So
and
it is
walking.
possible. Oh, and walking 10,000 steps a day and hiking.
Sometimes 20,000 or 26,000.
And somebody doesn't want to hike with me sometimes.
Not today.
In strong mountains, in the beautiful mountains.
He wanted to go to the Mount Seymour, but I told him
I want to
that
see more mountains.
Seymour, Mount Seymour. O, diba? Na, yung intro natin masyadong mahaba. But anyway, gagawa lang kami ng kape and we are going to Farms Market sa Langley. Sasamahan nyo kami sa araw na to. Supposed to be, again, we are going to hike, but then I said no, let's not do it. Nandito na kami sa Fort Langley, mga kalalabs. Chine-check lang ni Papa Dip kung pwede kami mag-park dito kasi sabi niya pag may yellow line daw sa may gilid ng dito, hindi daw pwedeng mag-park. Kinakausap niya yung mga dumaan. Sabi niya, pwede ba kaming mag-park dito? Sabi niya, it's okay. But baka kasi maticket kami. Ayaw namin magbayad ng ticket. Kaya follow the rules. What did they say, love?
Or half-half.
We're half-half, so
So-
we're not allowed?
Well,
We're not
I
allowed?
mean, technically, but there's enough room up front.
Mm.
So I'm going to go here because he's got a lot of room in front of him to get out.
Oh, I see, okay.
So if I can just get as much possible.
Are they from here?
I don't know.
Okay, we're good. So we're allowed to park here, right? Okay. Okay, let's go. Nandito na tayo mga kalalabs. They call it farmer's market. So meron silang mga pagkain dito. Ice cream, lemonade. Where's the vegetables? I feel like they don't have the vegetables, well.
The veggies. I feel they don't have vegetables. But...
I know, right? Here, love, come. Ito yung mga gulay nila. Kaso nga lang.
But do they have malunggay?
They don't have oh, look at this one, love. It's that, ano, love? Anong tawag nyo dito? It looks like a ube. But it's not ube.
It's rhubarb, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It looks kamote, oh.
Look at these ones.
Raspberry
we should get this one.
jam.
It's like a zucchini.
Yan yung price niya, oh.
Let's get that one, zucchini. Delicious zucchini. It's very fresh. It's very good. Look at this one. It's
Oh,
double.
look at this one.
Look at this one. It's double.
Laki naman yan.
Two of them grew together.
Oh, look at the pickles. Pickle beets. Kale. May kale. Ayaw sumunod ng aking camera. Huwag kang pasaway camera, ha. Ayan. Titingin muna kami. Let's go walk around. Akala ko yung farmer's market nila is ano, mas maraming, ayun, mas maraming gulay doon, oh. But they have bags, souvenirs. Mga souvenirs sila. So, marami pa sila dito, oh, mga kalalabs. Then yung cucumbers na to, oh. $9 for like this. Oh my gosh. Tapos na kami sa farmer's market, mga kalalabs. Si Papa Dib, kinain niya kaagad yung binili naming, ano, pakora. How is it? Good? Kinain niya na kaagad. Kaloka siya. Wala kami nabiling gulay dun. Parang hindi kupet yung mga gulay nila. And then medyo ano siya, pricey yung ano gulay. Oh, we have our lunch here before. The wasabi-sabi. Wasabi-sabi. Sushi wasabi-sabi. Yun yung pangalan ng restaurant. Ayan, oh. Meron kami pinuntahan dito before. Dinrap off namin yung ano, sa kaibigan ko. Kasi, nung hindi ako nagbablog, meron nag-sponsor ng ano, ng lechon, buong lechon, hindi namin maubos. So, pinamigay ko sa mga kaibigan ko kasi sayang. Buong lechon yun. So, if ever na taga Vancouver kayo at naghahanap kayo ng ano, lechon sa pang-event nyo, you can check out Koi's Lechon. Sobrang sarap. And mabait yung ano, yung may-ari. So, mag-walking-walking lang muna kami dito sa Langley. And then after that, siguro uuwi. Tingnan nyo itong nilalakaran namin.
You know how old I am?
How old are you? 95.
Oh,
Ano to? What is this?
Called pinball.
Ah.
And what's cool about my age is that I live in the future and I use AI. But someone like Nicole's grew up with AI, right? But I grew up with these, so I kind of had two different worlds that I grew up in, and it's only my age that did that.
Yeah.
Because if you're born in the 90s, you didn't really grow up with like this. I used to pay 25 cents. Boom.
Yeah, I know, right? Look at that vending machine.
So,
tapos na kami nagala-gala dito sa Langley. We are going somewhere else. Somewhere else. Pupunta kami sa ano, para siyang, ano ba yun, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nun. Napuntahan namin siya long time ago nung nanood kami ng movie ng Barbie. Where's that place? Yeah, so doon kasi mura yung mga gulay nila. For some reason yung farmers market naman dito, akala ko naman like parang nakaka-happy farmers market. Kaso nga lang kukunti yung mga nakita namin paninda. And then medyo pricey siya para sa akin. And what we have here, nakabili kami ng pakora na binuksan na ni Papa Dave at kinain niya na. And then we have this one. Ayan. So gagawin natin siya, lulutuin ko siya mamaya for dinner. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari sa camera ko. I don't really know. I don't know if it's like proper settings or something like that. Medyo nag-act siya ng something. Buti na lang meron akong kape dito. At may inom natin. Mainit pa siya.
Okay, so there's a whole bunch in that area.
Sarap. Sarap ng kape. And let's try this pakora. Kain po tayo. Let's try. Let's try this pakora if it's good. Mabango siya. Excuse me. Where's the tissue? Wala yung tissue ko dito. Saan napunta yun?
Oh, I threw it out the window when we were driving once.
Okay, we will go now. And
it's kind of straight though.
Wow,
so we have to go home
far.
anyways. Well, not really, because look.
53 minutes?
Yeah, but how long does it take to get home?
Yeah. Anyway.
Same, right?
So, pag pupunta kayo ng Vancouver at pagod na kayong mamasyal sa downtown Vancouver, you can come here at Fort Langley. Maganda tong area na to, very relaxing. There's a lot of coffee shop and also like parang may clothing shop din sila. So if ever, pasyal kayo dito.
Now the thing is, will it still be hot?
Yeah. Let's see your coffee.
Did I get scammed?
Tignan natin tong bahay na to. May open house sila. So, pwede kayong pumasok. Titingin tayo ng bahay. Ano? That's fine. You can, yeah. Wow. So, meron silang ano dito. Meron silang parang, ewan ko ang tawag dyan.
Does it come with the piano player?
Okay, living room. Magkano kaya itong bahay na to? Wow, I like this bathroom, very simple. And then paglabas mo, I think this is a room, office or something. Ang cute no, mga kalalabs. And this is, hello, how are you? Good. Just checking here. This is another big bathroom. What is this one? Mga storage. Nice. Wow, love. Oh, there's a 3-bedroom.
So why don't we get a quote like this?
Yeah.
For real?
Yes.
Our bed would look nicer for.
True.
And our pillows are kind of. What are these?
Oh my. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And then look at the bathroom. Oh my God. Wow, love. Oh, nice. Look at that.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah. Tignan nyo naman to. So, this is the, bigger room. Master bedroom.
3 rooms.
Yeah. And then, this is our...
This is my office.
Oh my gosh.
My room when you're mad at me.
I know, right? When I'm mad at you, just stay here in this room. Look at that, love. Oh, they have a backyard as well. See that? My dream backyard. Oh my gosh. So pretty. I love this mirror.
Oh yeah, nice closet.
Yeah, Nicole's mirror.
Oh, nice mirror.
Ah, nice. Bahay na kami, mga kalalabs. Actually, kanina pa. Kumain ako ng lunch, katapos lang. And na-enjoy namin ni Papa Dib yung ano namin, yung gala-gala namin sa Langley. Supposed to be dadaan pa kami doon sa sa market. Mayroon pa kasing market na pupunta namin. It's kind of a farmer's market as well. Pero ano siya, yung isang company, hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-explain yan. But hindi na kami pumunta. Sabi mo, Papa Dib, uwi na tayo kasi naisip ko may mga leftover pa akong gulay dito na dapat kong lutuin bago kami umalis next week. And ayaw kong nagiiwan ng mga ano dito, nabubulok na, parang yung gulay, di ba, nabubulok yan right away pag di mo niluto. So, sabi ko sa kanya, wag na lang tayong bumili. Sabi niya, tama ka kasi aalis na tayo next week. Kaya hindi na kami dumaan doon. Ah, come here. Yeah. Nagpapatickle na naman to. And alam nyo ba, na-enjoy namin ni Papa Dib yung pagpunta namin doon sa open house na bahay na binibenta sa Langley. Sobrang ganda ng bahay na yun. Grabe, parang yung feel at home ka talaga kasi ano yun up and down siya. So sa taas, rooms, 3 rooms siya. And then ang laki ng bathroom, 'di ba? Nakita nyo naman. And then yung kitchen, sobrang beautiful ng kitchen. Malaki din siya. Gustong-gusto ko yung kitchen kasi alam niyo naman, mahilig ako magluto. So yung kitchen talaga yung sabi ko, ang ganda ng kitchen. And then yung backyard pa nila. Ay, nakaka-relax. Parang at home ka doon sa bahay na yun. Sabi mo, Papa Dib, i-manifest ko yan. Bibilhin ko yan tomorrow. Char. Bibilhin tomorrow. Sana all. May 2.3 million. Yun yung price ng bahay na yun. Sino kayo makakabili ng bahay na yun, no? Sobrang kasing talaga. Sobrang ganda. Na-amaze ako. Sobrang spacious. Yung bathroom talaga, I promise. Yung bathroom, sobrang lawak. Shower, may bathtub. Sobrang linis tignan. Yung mga wallpapers niya. And ang kinagandahan ng bahay na yun, meron siyang, di ba, sala? Parang, enter ka dun sa bahay, tatanggalin mo yung shoes mo, kasi may upuan dun na maliit. Tapos, tatanggalin mo yung shoes mo doon, and then papasok ka, living room. Tapos, parang receiving guests, parang something like that. Tapos, meron pa siyang, ang dami niyang bathroom yun, Ilang bathroom yun? 3 bang bathroom nun? Di ko nabilang na, kasi sa first floor, living room, kitchen, and then meron pang office area, and then yung office area na yun, pwedeng maging isang room pa yun, and then meron siyang bathroom, sariling bathroom. And then, sa taas, 3 bedrooms, and big bathroom. Sobrang nakakamiss. I love that house. 2.3 million po yung price nun. Hindi ko alam kung saan nilagay ni Papa Dib yung papel nun. Nakalimutan niya yata nasa sa likod ng car. Basta, sana ma-enjoy nung bibili nung bahay na yun, yung bahay na yun. Kasi sobrang ganda. Sana mabenta nila kaagad. Sayang, wala akong 2.3 million. 2.3 million mahal. Anyway, mag-e-end na rin ako ng vlog, mga kalalabs. Yun na po yung ganap natin today. Sana po ay na-enjoy nyo yung ating pamamasyal. Sana ay naipasyal ko kayo sa paborito kong spot dito sa Vancouver. Isa yun yung paborito kong pasyalan, lalo na sa summer. Sobrang relax lang. Langley. Fort Langley. Parang nabanggit ko yata Port Langley kanina. Tapos kinurek ako ni Papa, did you call it Port Langley? Sabi ko, ayaw nga Fort Langley pala yung Port Langley. Sorry naman. Diba? Sorry naman sa pronunciation. Matigas talaga ang pronunciation natin. Ang importante, naiintindihan nyo po ako. And welcome po sa mga magko-correct sa akin. So, happy ako pag kino-correct din ako sa mga pronunciation. Kasi mas nai-improve ko yung mga bagay-bagay, diba? So, ayun na po yung vlog. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet. I-ring nyo po yung bell icon para ma-notify po kayo sa tuwing mag-upload tayo ng panibagong video. See you on our next vlog, mga kalalabs. God bless us all. Stay safe and always be kind. Bye-bye!